Hey guys, hey. It's dark in here. Whoa! Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Comment down below if you know what YouTuber that is. It's a new game I'm playing. Okay, so I'm not hungry. I felt like I ate a lot today, but apparently I didn't. I actually took pictures of everything that I ate today because somebody wanted to see the actual foods that I was eating. I took a screenshot and I'm going to have the screen up right here during this entire time when I'm telling you. So I had 14 carbs out of 21, which I don't know why I can't get this thing to not be 21. I turned off smart macros. It's like just wants to be 21, so I'm just not gonna eat 21. I had 14. I usually am under my carbs anyways. I had 41 grams of fat out of 135, and I had 27 grams of protein out of 97. And then I only had 716 calories today. I feel like I ate more, but I didn't. I had my regular coffee for breakfast. For lunch, I went to the grocery store and I made a salad at their buffet. And then for dinner, it's my son's birthday today, so we went to the Coney Island and I just got a plain double cheeseburger, no bun, and a little side salad with ranch. And this is all I've come up with for my macros today. How do I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I'm not hungry at all. I'm full. I didn't even eat ice cream. But that's it. There's not much to say. My salad was really good. It had shredded cheddar, ranch, tomatoes. I put some mushrooms on there, some cucumber and some sunflower seeds, but it was a smaller salad. It kept me full. So I'm not mad at it today. I weighed in this morning at exactly 250. Exactly. And every day that I say, tomorrow I'll for sure be at least 249, I'm not going to say that today because it's not happened yet. So I'm just going to say I was at 250. I'm happy to be at 250. I'll get to 240 someday. So that's it, guys. That's what I ate today. Sorry it wasn't very eventful. Didn't do any cooking. Like I said, it's my son's birthday. We will be going out to eat over the weekend, so stay tuned for that. And my boyfriend will be here all weekend, so that'll be fun. Maybe we'll do a video. So, alright guys, see you tomorrow. Here's dinner. It's my son's birthday today, so we just went out and went to a diner, and I got a double cheeseburger and no bun. And then I ordered a taco side salad, but they gave me just a regular side salad, so it's got like one cucumber and a slice of tomato and some ranch. Yay.